Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to mute someone online. If you are looking for a way to mute someone online because the messages or notifications are getting a bit too much, here is how you easily do it. First of all, open up the Line application and make sure you're logged in. Now go open up the chat section where your conversations appear. Go to the bottom center and tap on the Chats tab and select Open any chat you want to mute. And now go to the top of the screen and click on the three horizontal menu buttons at the top right, and you'll see a mute button at the top left. Click on that. Now the notification from that specific contact will be disabled. You will no longer receive alerts from the chat, but you can still open the conversation anytime to read messages. Remember, muting someone does not block them. They can still send messages, but your phone won't notify you every time. So there you have it. If you ever want to unmute the person, you can come back to this same page and tap on the unmute button, and the notifications will be enabled again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.